Hey, it's Ruby, and today we're going to paint the Northern Lights, and it's only going to take a few minutes to learn. We're going to start off with the canvas that has liquid clear all over it. This is going to make it easy to blend all the colors that we're going to lay out for the background. I chose pastel colors, some pink and purple and light blue, but you can really choose any colors you like. Just make sure that you blend them well at the end. Then, the first tool you're going to need is a fan brush. You want to load the fan brush with some titanium white, and then you're going to just tap in the shape of the northern lights that you want. I chose to do a horizontal shape, but you could also go vertical. I'm going to do a landscape at the bottom of this canvas, so that's why it's blank. Once you're done doing the initial shape, use the same fan brush. You don't even need to put any paint on it. Just pull the paint that you applied onto the canvas up in an upward direction. Make sure that all the lines go in the same direction. You don't want one of the lines to go to the left or to the right. Then you're going to reapply some titanium white to your fan brush and just really define these lines and brighten them up a bit. Now you're going to need a very soft blending brush, and you're going to start from the bottom of the sky and just pull all the way up. You want to make sure that you clean your brush in between strokes, that way you don't blend the colors together. This is when you're really going to see the sky come together. Blend to your liking, you don't want to overblend, but you can always add more paint. I decided that I kind of wanted to define this part of the sky, make this line a little bit more visible. So I'm just tapping in some paint and then I'm pulling it in the same direction. And yep, you guessed it, I'm going to pull out that soft brush to blend it up. We're getting there. We're almost done. Get the fan brush and make sure you fill it with some paint thinner and some titanium white. Sprinkle on some stars. And there you have it. The super simple, easy Northern Lights. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy painting, y'all.